there's a few of us. It's definitely incredible when you do. But next time you do, perhaps even something incredible as that, you can actually send that in. You can send in that sighting using our free app called the Whale Report app. Chester, nicely done, by quite a bit. He's actually just over 9 feet long, which is still quite small for a photo. They can grow to be up to 20 feet, the same length as the screen tent here. Helen, on the other hand, is just over 6 feet. The Pacific white-sided dolphins along the coast of BC tend to be a little bit larger and huskier than the Japanese populations. So you may be looking at a Pacific white-sided dolphin for around 7 feet long. The last thing you can take a look at, but definitely the most important. See his outer ridge that leaves out the water there? It's the thing that's on the back of the dolphin. Does anyone yell out what that is? How do you look at it right now? It is a fin, you're correct, it's a dorsal fin. And sometimes it can be pretty tricky to get a photo of it when they're so quick like Helen, but definitely try. Because if you're out, you get a photo of it, not only can researchers tell you what species you're seeing, they can actually tell you the individuals, because their dorsal fins are just like fingerprints are to humans. Now hopefully with these tips, you feel a bit more confident in sending in your sightings. Because remember, it's only with your help, your support, and research programs that dolphins have a greater chance of survival. It's only because of folks like you sending in those sightings that we've been able to track local cetaceans for over 30 years now. Wow! A big round of applause for that. The Vancouver Aquarium is a nonprofit dedicated to the conservation of aquatic life. So on behalf of myself, Chester, John, and Kristen, thank you everyone very much. I hope you have a great rest of your day today at the aquarium. Thanks everyone once again for coming out to our Curious Dolphin program. If you'd like to check out happening next door, see our habitats, and also learn about different research projects in the dolphin community, and see more about Chester's rescue story in the Arctic area. You can access that at the end of the bridge around the corner and down the staircase. Again, if you have any questions about this, or anything out here on the right, thanks everyone so much. Have a great rest of your day.
Kamen sürekli beni vermedi. Osman Darım.
тэрэн дээр бас сайн гიშиг юмтай нэг үлээ.
Тэр тамбод амар их гэдэг шүү дээ.
Харин тийм биш.